So let us solve this thing. So the question says log 7 base x plus 2 plus 3 times log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to 4. So how to solve this logarithmic function? So the first thing what you're going to do, just as is shown here, log 7 base x plus 2 and log x plus 2 base 7. You have to flip one of them to make it the same base. So this is 7. Let us make this one base 7. So to make it base 7, you have to use the change in base relation, change in base. Example, if it is log uh, b base a, in change in base relation, you have to make it 1 over log b log a base b. So this is the relation whenever you change the base. So to do that, you have to change this one. That means log 7 base x plus 2 will be based on base change relation. You have to write it as 1 over log x plus 2 base 7. So after this one, let us go for here. For this one, let us go here. Log 1 over log x plus 2 base 7 plus 3 times log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to 4. Then after that, let log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to t. Then what you are going to do, just 1 over t plus 3 times t is equal to 4, because 3 times these values, if we substitute this t, and if you represent this one as 1 over this t value, 1 over t plus 3 times t is equal to 4. So this will be just 1 plus 3t times t over t is equal to 4. So it will be 1 plus 3t squared is equal to 40. Then 3t squared minus 40 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then after that, what you are going to do, just you have to factorize this one. You have to search numbers. So when you factorize it, you will find 3t minus 1 times t minus 1 is equal to 0. Then after that, 3t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1. This will be t is equal to 1 over 3. Then after that, let us go here. We said, first we said log 7, log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to t. Here we decided we used this relation late, right? So we have to use it here. Log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to 2. So log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to the first t, which is 1 over 3. So it will be 7 the power of 1 over 3 is equal to x plus 2. Then it will be x is equal to 7 the power of 1 over 3 minus 2, which means the cubed root of 7 minus 2. So this is the x is equal to 7, the power of 1 over 3 minus 2, then it will be the cube root of 7 minus 2. So this is the first solution. And the second one, just here, the same thing, you have to substitute log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to t. So t, we have to use this to t value. So that means log x plus 2 base 7 is equal to 1. 7 the power of 1 is equal to x plus 2. So x is equal to 7 minus 2, x is equal to 5. So this is the second value. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to just the cubed root of this value. So if you check the domain, the first one, 7 is greater than 0, it's okay, but the second one, x plus 2, must be greater than 0, x greater than minus 2. So this is the domain, so both of the values, the cube root of 7 minus 2 and x is equal to 5, both of them are greater than this value. So you have to consider both this value as the solution set of this logarithmic function.